Right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is have a picture of your work. So if you're on the Google Chromebook, you go to the launcher down here, which is that dot in the bottom left. Click that. You may see camera already there at the bottom. If not, you can type it into the search bar and then click the icon and it'll open your camera. Hello. And hold your example up to fill in the screen as much as you can, keeping your fingers towards the edge. And I have to kind of peek down here to see what I'm doing. Try to hold it straight also because it's going to make cropping it easier. Click the white button. Sometimes I think the space bar works, but I'm not sure with this. So I just wanted to make sure to use the white button. Once it's done, you'll see right there, you'll have a little picture of it. So click that to go to the gallery to edit it. This will be easier to edit here, but you could also edit in Artsonia. Click Edit, which is the pencil up here. And then cropping tool is this, looks like two L's or sevens intersecting. And it also says crop when you hold over it. And you can drag that box to have most of your artwork. It automatically makes a box, but then you can resize it by clicking and dragging the dots. So you can click and drag. So if your fingers are in it, try to cut out your fingers. In this case, I'm losing a little bit of my smiley face, but that's okay. Drag that over so that all we see is the artwork as much as possible. If you get a little background in there, no worries. But make sure that you include all the important information, and we shouldn't see your name on the front of this. You should not have a name on. When you're done, all you got to do is click that little croppy button again, and it crops it and fills the page. You can see a little bit of my nail there, but that's okay. And then you can close out of that. It's saved in your computer. Oopsie, I'm going to go back to it because I forgot to show you. Just in case you don't know where it saves, it might make it helpful if you give it a title with what the project is. So if it's the line rug, type in line rug. This is just a demo. So I'm writing demo. Close that. Close this. Now you'll see that I'm in Google Classroom. So I'm in another student's Google Classroom. I'm using them as an example because I wanted to show you from the student's perspective. So you find your visual arts classroom, click that, go up to the top to classwork, and then find the project that you're going to be uploading for. So this is a kindergarten class, and their first project is a line design. So I'm going to click that, and then you'll see Artsonia open up. So I click Artsonia, and it brings me directly to it, and it logs you in automatically as you see, which is really great. So I'm going to click Add Artwork, and then I'm going to do Select Image or Video. It's an image, of course. Okay, so then I can see my example. It opens right up to wherever your pictures are saved, and it looks like they're saving in your downloads, which is fine. So great. So I click the one that is the correct one. This was from earlier, so I'm going to click the new correct one, double click it. And then if you look where it says selected file, you'll see that it's there. It's uploaded. It doesn't show you a preview picture, but it's there. And then you click upload now. Right now, earlier when I was trying this, that page for uploading took forever. So I had to refresh the page and then it came back up. So as you can see, you can also crop here if you want. If you didn't get to do it the first time around, if you forgot, no big deal. You can also auto fix it, but sometimes that does something funky with the color. In this case, it actually looks better. So I'm definitely going to do that. Or if you needed to edit the brightening or whatever, if you made a mistake and you don't want to do that, you click undo. If the student's name is on it, you can blur it out. It says move the rectangle around the image or drag the image to draw a new rectangle. So if I do that, if that was someone's name, I would drag that rectangle and click apply, and it would blur out the name if you forgot to put your name on the back and put it on the front instead, because we don't want our name on it. I'm going to just click delete. I'm going to click undo because I don't want that. Don't click delete, or then you have to re-upload it. So it looks good to go. So I'm going to click accept. You can give it a title. just going to call it demo example, but you can give it whatever title you want, or you can do that at another step. Turn in. You can write an artist statement here if you like. I'm not requiring it, but some students like to do that, and it's really fun for me to read. Or you can do it later. Turn in statement. And then you will see it is down here. There's the one there's the one I did earlier. It was a little dark because I didn't do the editing. This one looks much better, as you can tell. So that is good to go. And now on my end, I have to approve it. So that way nothing inappropriate gets uploaded. So I will be approving it to be posted on Artsonia. So family members can't see it until it is approved by yours truly. So that's it for uploading artwork. So again, you go to your classwork, you click Artsonia, it logs you automatically in. If it doesn't log you automatically in, you can search with the class code, which is in your folder. And I will probably also post that somewhere else, but it's in your folder, which you can also find that information at the very bottom of your screen. When you look at the art kit ingredients, it's going to be on this page. Towards, give it a second to load, right here. There it is. Sorry about that. It's right here. So this is the other way that you could upload artwork, just by going to Artsonia directly or through the app. The last thing to say is if you just want to check off that the work is done. So once you are in the assignment, to it, I click view assignment. It doesn't automatically turn it in for you. So you would want to click mark as done. I have a bunch of things popping up, so excuse me while I X those out. So you'd want to click mark as done. If you forget to do that, don't worry about it at all, because as I go through and grade from Artsonia, I will mark them done in Google Classroom. Alrighty, that is all.